All right, number 4. You have two options for your savings account. Option A, account starts at $500, account grows by $500 per year. Option B, account starts at $500, however, the account grows by 3% per year. My bad. Alrighty. So again, you got to distinguish which one's a linear function, which is an exponential function. Your clue word here is the percent. So again, option B would be my exponential. Option A is my linear. So part A, determine the function rule for option A. Since it's linear, it's going to be y equals what's changing every year? The $500 increase. That's going to be 500x plus where you started. In this case, was 500. So that's your equation for option A. Part B, determine the function rule for option B. Is going to be, again, because of the percentages, exponential. So it's going to be y equals how much you started off with, which was 500. Parentheses, since it's growing, we're going to add to 1. Convert 3% to a decimal, which is 0.03. And we're going to raise that to the x power. Option C, which option will yield a higher salary after 20 years? So for again, option A, it's going to be y equals 500 times 20 plus 500. Oops. So it's going to be 500 times 20 plus 500. 10,500. So option A will give us 10,500. Let's look at option B. It's going to be y equals 500 parentheses 1.03, because when you add it up, and raise that to the 20th power. So again, we're going to type that into the calculator. 500 parentheses 1.03. Raise that to the 20th power, and I get 903.056. 903.056. Again, we're talking about money here, so I do have to round. So I'm going to cut it off here. Because of this 6, the 5 is actually going to round up. So it's going to be $903.06. Okay. So again, we still have to choose which one gives us the higher salary in 20 years. For option for option A, we got $10,500. For option B, we got $903.06. So again, which one gave you the higher salary? Option A would be your answer. So again, it's not always going to be the exponential. So don't assume that the exponential would always have the higher salary. Number 5, an error analysis. Let me make it a little bit bigger. All right. Describe and correct the error in determining if the table represents a linear or an exponential function. So the table here, we're looking at the y value. -3, -6, -12, -24. So we got to figure out what happened. So students' work is -3 over -6 over -3. That simplifies to 2. -12 over -6. Again, simplifies to 2. -24 divided by -20. Again, when you simplify that, it equals 2. So the person saying the common difference is 2. Table represents a linear function. Again, we got to go back to establish. What's the common difference? Is that adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing? Because of the word difference, that's actually subtracting. However, that's not what this person is doing. The person is not subtracting both numbers. They're dividing the number. -6 divided by -3 equals 2. So instead, it should be, they didn't find the difference. Instead, they found, because we're doing the division, they found the common, the common. So another way for division, the way this implies is the common ratio. So because it's a common ratio, again, just in case you need it. Oh, I don't know what's coming on. Remind me later. Common ratio is division or fraction, whichever you prefer. So it should say, let me switch color for this part. The common ratio is 2, thus it's an exponential function. And that's the error. And we corrected it, and now you're done with this problem. So again, if you have any questions throughout any of the notes, let me know and I'll help you. Yeah, you're almost done. This is the last set of notes.